Hi everyone! Today I'm about to discover Golden Stream and Love Waterfall in Lien Mountain National Park. Before departing, I will drink some cacao here. Iced cacao here is super delicious. To go to Love Waterfall, we have to go through O Quy Ho Pass. It took me about an hour to get here. According to the legend, in the old days when 7 fairies went out to find the source of fresh water, it was the first time the 7th fairy met O Quy Ho, the son of mountain god named Ai Lao, who managed the Hoang Ranger. Since then, she had often fled to here to meet him and listen to his flute. Her parents knew about this and forbade her to meet O Quy Ho. He missed her and his tear fell down, becoming this waterfall. People here call this waterfall Love Waterfall and call the stream below the Golden Stream. The girl turned into a bird who called passionately the name of O Quy Ho. This is a legendary story of this place. Northwest natural scenery is so majestic and poetic. Sometimes I want to temporarily leave the crowded city to get closer to nature, mountains and forests. Well, we have reached the Golden Stream. The stream is orange and yellow. Maybe that's why people call it Golden Stream. This stream flows to the plunge pool of Love Waterfall. Well, let's continue going to the Love Waterfall. We can also see the stream from here. Yeah, we have 350 meters more to go to the Love Waterfall. I was taking pictures while walking, so it took me an hour until now. You might go faster. Walking in the forest while listening to the murmuring stream, listening to the bird song, enjoying the fresh and cool air, I feel so peaceful. There is a small pool here. I don't know how deep it is. Here is the bridge leading to the waterfall viewing deck. Gives me an antique feeling. Finally, we've arrived at Love Waterfall. There is a plunge pool below. You can swim in here, but for safety, I think you should just get in if you go with many people. I played around the Love Waterfall for about 15 minutes then came back. I have lunch at a small food court right in front of the Love Waterfall tourist area. Here, there are lamb rice, fruit, sweet potatoes, eggs and meat. There are meat rolls with vegetables and meat rolls with enoki mushrooms. Crude vegetable rolls are pizza, while crude mushroom rolls are sweet. But everything is delicious. Grilled meat is greased on top so it doesn't stick to the grill. While sitting here eating while enjoying fresh air is very chill and enjoyed. The surroundings is quiet, the scenery is beautiful, and the weather is good too. Yeah, sweet potatoes are ready to eat now. Well, what's it? Very yummy. Crude, sweet potatoes of fragrance, golden inside and very sweet. I don't know why eating here seems to be more delicious than at other places. Maybe the atmosphere and the view here make it more delicious. Crude lamb rice has purple rice or white rice inside. People use leaf color to dye rice. When cooking rice, instead of using just plain water, they use purple leaves water so that cooked rice will be more beautiful with color. These bamboo tubes are cuts from bamboos that she grew at her home. Every day she cuts out dozens of pieces to make lamb rice. People who often go to the forest are not convenient to cook, so the thoughts of storing rice in a bamboo like this. Well, it's the first time that I can see directly the lamb rice being cooked like this. People here often eat lamb rice with sesame sauce. Wow, super delicious. Well, I feel like the food here is more delicious than at Sapa town restaurants. Maybe partly because I'm hungry, I guess. After visiting Love Waterfall, I took a rest at Sapa Town Coffee Shop. Experience driving on O Quy Ho Pass, entering the forest to see streams and waterfall is so wonderful and peaceful. I'll rest here for a bit and then I'll go to have dinner. Bye bye, see you again soon in next videos.